What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would like to say welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to smash a like on this video because we got a fire video for you guys today. So this is not an ordinary video that I do. I usually do sneaker content, fashion content, some gaming here and there. But I do want to put this video out for you guys because I noticed that no one has done this yet. So right now with the recent update in Warzone, a lot of the colors are different. A lot of the filters are different. I want to give you guys the best filters, the Nvidia settings that I found, to brighten up your game. Make sure you don't have any dark spots. Make sure you have light spots. Make sure you can see that rose skin, so it's not hiding in corners. But let's get into it right now. So I'm going to open up Warzone. And we're just going to load into a game. If this takes a minute, I'm going to definitely just, we're going to go to Plunder, Quads. And then if this takes a minute, I'm just going to fast forward this, chop it up, and get everything going and then load into a game. And then I'll get you guys the Nvidia settings right now.
By completing contracts, looting or eliminating targets. Set a drop point for your team, soldier.
Alright, so guys, I loaded into a game. This is probably how it looks for most of you guys. Pretty dull, pretty gray, not much color. I'm going to show you guys how to improve that. So we're going to go to here, we're going to go to our first settings. And look, you can see already much better than the original settings. We're going to delete these because I don't really like these settings. And we're going to go with my new setup. And make sure you put them in this order. We're going to go details first. Then sharpen, then color, then brightness and contrast, and then we're going to touch on each of these individually. So for first, we're going to go with details, right? We're going to change the sharpen to around 60%. Depending on your monitor, you could change it however you want it, 60, 65%, but I like it around 60% for my monitor. For clarity, I like it around 45%. But like I said, this is all depending on your own monitor. Hdr Toning. This is definitely one that you could like to play around with. It can basically go anywhere between 60 and 100, but I like to keep it around 78, 80. And bloom, we're going to leave it at 0. Next, we're going to touch sharpen. And we're going to move this up just a tad. Maybe to 65. 60, 65. I like it right there. And this ignore film grain is definitely up to you. But I'm definitely going to, I'm going to match it. I'm going to put it right around the same. Let me just... That's fine. Then we're going to go to color. We're going to put tint color at 0. We don't want no tint. Tint intensity, we'll leave it at 1. Temperature, we're going to move up just slight. Maybe to 2. Yep, 2 looks good. And then vibrance, we're going to push up just a tad. We'll go to 82. We're walking around that. We'll go a little bit down. We'll go down to 80. And now here's one of the bigger ones right here, brightness. So exposure, we're going to leave at 0. Contrast, we're going to move it just a little bit down. We're going to leave it around, 50 range. Highlights, we're going to leave at, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Make it like 20% around there. Shadows, negative 100. And gamma at 100. Once you're done, you can press X on that, Alt Z again, and there we have it. A much brighter, much better game, as you can see right there. And like I said in the beginning, it all depends on your monitor. So if you have a different type of monitor, you might have to adjust these settings a little bit. But at least right here, you have the basic settings.
Recon's inbound.
And I'm going to go back and forth between it. So that's how the world looks with my settings. And then this is how most people see it. My settings. Most people see it. You know, and it just helps you out a lot. You know, if you want to go into like houses, like look at this difference between the houses. Alt Z. That's how it looks before. Look, imagine looking in this right hand corner right here for like a rose. You know, you could barely see it. You put my settings on, bam, you can see the rose clear, nothing hiding, looks great. And the best part is too is when you come outside, it just adjusts itself and it looks beautiful outside. Everything looks textured, everything looks nice and colorful. You're definitely not missing any dark spots on this. So if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to smash the like button, make sure to share it. Comment down below any settings that you changed. Comment down below any adjustments you made. I would love to see it, and I will check it out for myself. I reply to every comment, so just make sure you do that. Like I said, make sure to share it, smash a like, and if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me, and it helps on my channel a lot. It's been your boy Tim, signing off. Peace.